Yes, my lovely people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again with another one, my people. So, my peeps, a brother reach out to me and him say, J Progress, let me tell you something, youth. Me run off in America and go stay with a cousin in New Jersey. And the man I see a whole heap of time, me feel like me just pack me things, them youth, and go back on my yard. Whichever way anything happen. You see what me I say? The man I say, yo, some things where him got you and some little embarrassment where him have to take and all that. Just because he might try to get better in his life. So the man say, brother, you see when a man go take up themselves and run off in a foreign, make sure say you prepare for that mentally, physically, and emotionally. And I know every time the grass is greener on the other side, sometimes I be a rock stone and desert kind of looking sitting there over there on the other side. No grass can grow over there. But everybody have if you say the grass is greener on the other side. And if you want grass to green, you have to walk with something like a water truck to water it every day of your life. Pretty much a man tell me say, youth, running off in a foreign not easy. But ongo because when you run off for so long, him say, listen me here, man, me a go and wall out. If them hold me, better them just hold me and push me with me one little scandal bag to a aircraft and send me back to Jamaica. Because him can't bother go down again to nothing at all. The man say him have 2 daughters in Jamaica and him baby mother. Him have a 4-year-old daughter and a 7-year-old daughter. Right? Him say him used to travel on the hotel program, go Florida side. You see what me I say? And him travel 2 times and the 3rd time him decide say him a go make a run feet. And him a go to him woman cousin where they in a New Jersey. Right? So him say, yo, when him there Florida, when him a pre cut, him and him cousin talk and him cousin I say, yeah man, you can get yourself sort out man and thing. And she knows somebody too, you know, where she can get a link with somebody where can do a little business wedding and them thing there. So the youth a say, alright then, him now hurry up himself and run off just as him go. Pan the 3rd time, yeah. He say him a go work out almost a whole time in a Florida. And when him have like a month left to go home, him just cut. You understand me I say? And that's exactly what the youth do. I mean I tell you say the youth saving money. Because the youth have this business wedding in his brain. Because I say, alright, when can do then is get him things sorted out, get him little green card, take time and wait, get him paperwork sorted, take good on, marry him baby mother, take up him baby mother and him 2 youth, them and start them little family in America. Fast forward now, he go so boom. New Jersey. Them amongst him cousin you know. Right? Him cousin have a little son there. You see me? But I don't really say no little baby boy to all that. A boy when I'm 11 I got 12. So a sensible little boy. You understand? But the problem is the boy don't have nothing near manners. And the whole of we know foreign pitney rank and think out hard already. Them not have nothing near manners. Them chat back to them parents. Them do anything with them want. And if you think you bad, lick them. How do you know you nah listen get 1 and 2 little Jamaican parents wake up, spank them and put them one side, go sit down with them little out harder self. But I never see a set of pitney more out harder than foreign pitney. They don't have no behavior. And they come like say, them drive one tick down in their years old and pop you off like a so. Because when you talk to them, they don't hear nothing. You hear me I say? The youth same guy, him cousin now in New Jersey and did it. Him get a little juggling. Him cousin help him and him get a little juggling at one little Jamaica restaurant. The money not too chang at the Jamaica restaurant, but he still a bring in something and him a help and put it on when him did save from him little work when him did on the hotel program. Because him a save towards this thing. Because the cousin a tell him say him a have at least 12 to 15 grand. Secure because, you know, them thing they up and down. It depends on what the person want. Him say him did it when him got him cousin yard. But him cousin we already show him already say a 2-room she have. 1 for her and 1 for her son. So when him come off he bounce it on the sofa. Right? So him go there with the intention. Him know what go on already. So him did there and a bounce it on the sofa and them little thing there. take time give him cousin when can give him and rare. But he reach a point now, me don't know if I tired the cousin I get tired of him. After a couple months now, him did it and the cousin tell him say him have to go get one of them little blow up mattress there. You understand me I say? Because the sofa, should him sleep in the sofa sink down and the cousin start say the sofa start similar sweat and one heap of bangarang and same thing. So him have to go get one of them little blow up sitting there and move them little coffee table in the night when everybody gone to bed. So him can't go to bed till everybody done down at the little living in the little living area part there and gone to them room. Then he move a coffee table, blow up mattress and lay down and sleep. No matter how him tired, him have to do a bop and a buck until everybody gone to bed. More time the man saying all the day, him tired can come in from the little work sometime and him tired. You know them things they go, you have your time when you don't like to come in and just go a little sleep. He boss saying can't sleep because everybody there watch TV. He have to wait till everybody done watch TV and do what them do. And then that alone, when them ready to wake up in the morning, he have to make sure he say, as him hear two little shuffling, him ears have to always dip on cock like him in the army. Any little footstep he listen for. Any little shuffle around, any little toilet he flush or anything he knows they up in the morning there. So from him hear them little signal there, he must get up and pack up him little belongings them round there and just pack up him little blow mattress and thing and make sure so they can come in at the little space there because sit down and do what them do and stuff. The boss say a stress on him brain. Sometimes him did and he must say, Jaja God, what this me I go through here, so man. You understand? It turn out now that the cousin say make a link with the person who can line up the thing. Remember me tell you say this brother you are safe towards him thing from when you know. You understand? And when they make the connect and something and him go with the cousin and it was a lady and they meet the lady, them have a chat, them talk about what go happen, this how long it may take to come through, how much money, rare. You understand? But anyway, he reach a stage where them say he have to pay $6,000 for the down payment before the actual married thing and the rest of money go pay after. You see me? So in a film impression, he must say the cousin know this a person you good. But him still not know if a linkage the cousin get with this a person or the cousin and this a person have a good relationship. But all the man know, you see when him pay the $6,000 there, in no year back, gunfire the woman when pay the money to. And he ask the cousin say him a call or him not get through neither. The man start wonder say if a cousin plan with people and robbing me money. And that the man start ponder. Because like him I say the cousin have no interest for hunt down this mad or like reach out. And him always have to say, you know hear from such and such, you know call such and such, the number we may have me not get through. You don't know nobody when know her. Rare cousin say, boy, he don't know. He not get through to her and who he know when know her not say no see her a long time. A man 6,000 gone and mash up him money. You understand me I say? Him did it again. But one of the youth who him used to work with down at the hotel before him run off. Right? Him and him make a linkage. And the boss say, him do film thing and him thing a connect up right now. Him a wait. You see what me I say? I wait for everything deal with and finish up. Because you know them have to have a little interview for go in and go do the green card business and so. So I hit film bridge in a wait pan. So the bridge say, yeah man, me have a link man. Him still little weary because him done bite him $6,000 already. And him can't afford to get bite again. You understand me I say? Because him man a save everything and remember the man have him two little daughter them you know. In a Jamaica and him baby mother, you know. So all him did a butter and a save and a do him little thing. It tough pan him. It tough. Cause him still a fear give the cousin a little shilling. You understand me? I say him still a fear give the little cousin a little shilling. No matter what I go on. And the cousin did it with him little youth. And when the baby father now I come visit that the girl there. Come him can't go in because you know them not really. Them do them little thing at them bedroom, but them spend little of the time in the little TV room the way they are squat. You understand me I say? So member say him have to put out for him little blow up mattress, you know. And the sofa him used to sleep until the cousin say Ray. So a blow up mattress him have to work with and him have to work with everybody gone at them bed. So when the baby father come check the cousin now, cause it come like them no live together. But the baby father look like him pass through when him want come whistle tailpipe. And you know, come left a little money with the cousin and sitting and be a thing. And come look for him pitney. The man say anytime baby father pass through, him can't go home, you know. Worse if him come in a certain hours in the evening, you know. Him can't go home. Him have to go and patrol the street like a police. And wait till him gone like it's safe to come home then. Because where him have to go home go do? Him man say him have to in the street a patrol. Whether rain, shine, snow, anything, him have to patrol. And give them time and them space until baby father. Sometimes the boss say him a patrol, he come like all he made a straight. He made a stream, I wonder, say, oh, them I become really put myself in a man. Me done work and want to go me yard and can't go me yard and me tired. Me have to patrol the street like me a idiot. Just because of people yard me catch. And all them sitting there and him a pay him little money towards the little bills them did they, you know. You understand me I say? The man say anyway him did it and go and do him thing and do him thing. Link up him bridging and say, yo, Ray, you know. You see what me I say? It turned out that the bridging one was a little bit more legit. You see me? And him do him for do, pay him little first deposit money, down payment, do it, married, go through everything. But you know them kind of married thing, yeah. And not where you go married and go live with nobody. You still live a year quarters and the person there with them there. Them only do that pan the money level and them little something there. And the man did it till he go on, him guy in interview thing, him get him little green card and something. As him get him green card, him go down and go look for him baby mother. And him two little youth them. You see what me I deal with? The youth them start lift up here now. Youth start lift up and have sense. Cause him left one when one a 4 and one a 7. You understand? And him didn't know almost 3 years him a come on to. You see me? The boss go down, go look for him baby mother and him two youth them and think him say, alright, when me go back up now, me have to look into how me go sort out things because him can take time and see what he can do then. Him did it, my people. Right? When the green card thing come through, when him go back up now, him decide say him go move from the cousin place. Cause him get him little thing and so. But the first thing we want to do, go down, go see him family. And him do that, and him come back, and him say boom now, and him go so. Try after him little job, him get one little warehouse job now. Better money than when he went there at the little Jamaican restaurant. And him say, alright, this not too bad. And him decide say, him a go take him little time now and rent him own little place. The boss say him get a little place and did it, I go and do him thing. I work and I do him thing, I save him money, I wait and thing and stuff, right? The boss ending up getting 10 year. Cause the first one when him get a 2 year, then him end up get the 10 year and thing. When him get the 10 year and them little something they know, him say more try to see if them can go through and get the little visiting visa. So him want him people them him baby mother to you them see if them can apply for visiting visa and stuff because him can't start filing for them yet. Because I think the filing thing have it come now when you're kind of more in a citizen kind of level, you know, when you can take up people right up them time they then. Anyway, my people him did it and thing until a year and sit and run off again. Cause them never did get the visiting visa and stuff. Until the man decides say, alright now, him now, I go take it up on himself now. And start putting in paperwork now and something. You see me? The boss ending up say, alright, him know say him there for a minute now. And you have your green card for so long, so you can apply for your citizenship in America. And him did just that, and it work out, and him say, alright, that time for me people, them come in here now. You see what me I say? First things first, him will say, him want marry him baby mother if he bring all of them together. But him decide say, no, so me go try bring up the youth, see if me can bring up the youth them first. You see me? The man say him start putting the paperwork and him don't know if I spell the pan him or what to blow out. Him don't know nothing this way did I expect in him wildest dream. Him couldn't even see this coming. But one thing was, when him went a travel upon the program from Jamaica, people used to always tell him say the woman a give the little saka. But you don't know. In a film mind him a say, And mash people are trying to mash up him life because as soon as you take a plane and go on a foreign and left your woman and your pitney, the first thing people are tell you, especially community people, is that your woman are give the saka. And he must say, nah, make nobody mash up him life with him woman when you have him two pitney them. You understand me I say? But him never know say. He come like this and get a better than grandma's doing and you use a spray grass. He never knows that this a woman you better than grandma's one. You understand me I say? Because when him ready now to file for him to pitney them, when him start file for them, and paperwork start deal with, and medical run, not one of the girl pitney them a feel. You know hear me say? The two pitney them with the woman have not even one and a feel. And he would have never know that until he went on citizen in America and ready to file for him pitney them. So if he went make the mistake and say, I'm going to marry the woman and bring everybody one time. You understand me I say? And say make it, other than say make me try after me two you them first and then everything quicker. People, not even one of the girl pitney them after the man. So all along it come like say him back and forth like I got America or wherever from him down there. Mr. Joe grind a work pan land there. From him down the ants they in the milk and can't pick out. But then the ants they look like them dropping at the bottom of the milk and him can't see it. And him just a pour off of the top like a so. From the man they a Jamaica, the woman a give with the crotch. From the first pitney born enough for the man, but somehow he come like him see feel resemblance na the pitney them. Poor pitney don't know have no resemblance of him kind of him them. But you see, when you get a jacket you know somebody know. But you see when you get the whole suit, you're convinced say I feel. When you get a jacket you will have little doubt. But you see when you get the whole suit, you're convinced say I feel. None of the pitney them are not for the youth. So all the way the youth got you say, boy, me I do this to my family, me I do this. Because probably if I wait him alone, you that just a travel back and forth foreign. You not travel back and forth foreign, because when you travel back and forth for a program, you can go to embassy and get all 10 years. And can go to America, go spend 1, 3 months, 4 months, and you feel like and go back in. But him say him a run off because him have him family, him have him 2 daughters, them and him baby mother, where him want to try with. The man have to go back down. All out the girl out of him house and run him out of him house so him have down there. The man drag out everything and why not chop up from mash up and sitting. All the bed where the man have there, the man light. And the people have to beg him to not light the house down there, my people. You understand me I say? And the man, the 2 little daughter them, the man send them go stay with the mother and say, Mommy, listen me. You make sure to reach out to this girl and tell him if you can take him pitney them. Even though me know if some man still, all for me, yeah, J Progress. If me did done a wear the suit for so long, almost 10 years or so, me continue to wear the suit. It stick on for me already, there is nothing more me can do. Me I go take care of them pitney till them pass the worst. Me can't just drop them again, he already gone bad. If you ain't get a one jacket and suffer earlier, you find out, you can say yes. But if you get suit almost 10 years now, 10, 11 years, you understand me I say? Your 2 pitney them reach how much year, you have to continue, brother. But this man we ain't hurt. And we ain't head mash up. Him tell the mother say just keep them for a certain time and make she come pick up her pitney them. Cause him done chop up and burn up and mash up everything in that house them if he mash up already. You understand me I say? I beg them if he beg him to not light the house and burn it down flat. You hear me I say? And the man a tell me say J Progress. Friend him turn him back down there so. And no him no look back down at Jamaica. And him no business with and the 2 girl pitney when they think of him. Him saying no say it, but him no look back there so neither. Cause the mama too wicked. And he have in a heart favor. But him no look back for the 2 pitney them. Him no know if them drop us, if them gone a sky or them still there, but him no have a clue. Him no know if them turn left or them turn right, him no care. Because he must say the sacrifice them when make in America when he went run off. And sometime when him never have it. him still have to sacrifice himself and send down sit because he say, nah, make him pitney there hungry. He nah make him baby mother hungry. And him know say bills down a yard for pay and all kind of sitting. And then it turn out, not one of the pitney enough for him. And the baby mother I give away the crutches long before him even start travel pan program. Long. So in my mind, when me get this story, brother, don't feel no way. Don't feel no way when I hear this. But when me get this story, me I say you need to go check yourself if a blank shot you have fire. Because a two pitney I tell me say not even one your shot could not range. Your shot could even range one of the head like I saw make one little DNA trace and you come off in the pitney. Eh? He two of them come and not one enough for your brother. You have to check yourself. If shot in the bullet or a blank shot, you have fire. Because it don't look good. But brother, we know them journey they still and a whole heap of man go through it. Not until them ready to file for them pitney if you go foreign, them realize you're not for them pitney. But in a real life still, if you have a youth, or your name call upon a youth and all of your life, the youth know you as daddy, and the youth reach out say 10, 11, 12-year-old, and at them time that you find out, just continue to be with the youth. You have about 6 or 7 more years for him reach 18, 19 and gone on him own. Just continue to be with the youth and make him pass the worst. That's just my take still. Because if me get a suit like that, me just go and rear till the youth reach 18, 19, till he can go on him own. Simple as that. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. You don't have to ask nobody nothing about me, and nobody don't have to tell you nothing about me. Because guess what? You already know me go to work already. 20K by the end of March, my people. You know a thing already. Nobody can tell you nothing. A 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe.